Okay, so just want to give a quick reminder, and for those who haven't seen my other video, how you switch out of S mode. In that video, I noticed quite a few comments were saying, okay, you can't switch out of it, and other information, other things such as that. It's difficult to switch out. Well, it's not really difficult. You just need to have your admin account and you need to log in with a Microsoft account. So, for example, on this PC, this laptop, I downloaded Chrome and I'm gonna attempt to install it. It comes up with Windows in S mode. Windows in S mode will only run Microsoft verified apps. We recommend using Edge. Then it gives me the option switch out of S mode, right? So just gonna demonstrate here. I'm gonna click switch out of S mode. Then it's gonna say, it's gonna tell me that you can only, this S mode allows you to only run verified secure apps, update automatically, all that good stuff. But if you really want to run to switch out of S mode and install whatever apps or install certain printers that Windows does not allow you to install, then you would continue and you would go yes, switch out. Now this is where I think a lot of people may get it incorrect, is that if they're not logged in as a actual admin and with a Microsoft account, they may not be able to proceed. So I'm gonna say get Windows 10/11 dash S mode switch with a genuine license for this PC, and I'm gonna say switch out. Working on it. It's telling me, yeah, you may want to think twice. This is a one-way only, but I want to switch out. Customer wants to switch out. Now we're gonna say, it says you're all set. You have switch out FS mode and can now install apps from outside the store. That's it. Close. I'm done. So I can close this and then I can go back to the app that I was actually downloading. Chrome. So let's go. Let's say we download Chrome now. Now that we switch out. Okay, download Chrome. So Chrome is an example of an app that you would not be able to install while you're in S mode. Okay, so it's downloaded Chrome. I'm gonna go in, open file, yes. And there you go. If I wasn't out of S mode, I could not be doing this. In addition to that, one of the main reason why the user want to switch out is that they want to install a certain printer that they cannot find within the Windows App Store. And in addition to that, they want to just, they're not using this in a lockdown environment. So there you go. Just remember, if you're having issues switching out, just make sure you're logging as an admin. Make sure you have a Microsoft account that you're also logged in. And those are the things you need to have preset if you say you're having issues, as some of my subscribers have commented that they can't switch out. If you have any question after this still, drop me a comment below in this video and let me know exactly what error message you're getting, and we'll work it out together. Okay, until next time, have yourself a great day. Bye now.